Hi everyone. So today we are going to see about a create visit record from image in a standard object record. So for example, for the demo, I have took account object. In one of the account record, I have created a button called create visit from image. So we have already previously seen a scenario in Agentforce, like I want to upload an image. Based on the uploaded image, I will extract the informations and I will create a visit record. So there I have a conversation with the agent. The agent will provide LWC component. I'll upload the image. I'll extract the information and I'll create a visit record. So instead of why can't we have a simple button in a account record? It will be useful for users who have Salesforce access, and if they want to create for a particular account, they can straight away go to the account and click on a button and upload. So it's a standard flow with a prompt builder and the Apex classes. So let me walk through the demo and I'll explain what I've done. So I have created a button. So this create visit from action. So create visit from image action button. So let me click on that. So once I click on, we will have upload visit image. So this is a standard file upload component which is available in the flow. So let me click on upload image. Let me scroll down. Click on this. I'll upload this image. So click on done. So file uploaded successfully. Click on next. So now we are having two options. So one is file preview and another one is a visit details. So visit details will display the details which are extracted from the image. For example, I have visited Dr. Krishna Hospital. Visit date is 19th July 2026 today. And what is the details which we have discussed? Visited Dr. Krishna Hospital, discuss new market medicines. If I click on file preview, so I'm able to see the image which I have uploaded. So this component is also a standard flow component, file preview. So I have used to just display the file which I uploaded. So once after reviewing the information, click on create visit. Okay, a visit record has been created and the file which we have uploaded is also linked to the visit record. And since this is a child of that particular account, also the account is present here. So let me walk through the flow. So this is a screen flow, a simpler screen flow. So I have a file upload component. So where I have the standard file upload. So once after the file upload, I'm getting the content document. So I need to pass the content document record in the prompt builder. So I have a prompt template which I have created. So I need to pass the file. So that for that I have getting the content document record. So once after passing in this prompt builder, I will get the prompt response. So I need to get I have a JSON prompt response. So I want the JSON prompt response to be in a separate variable. So in order to get in a separate variable, I am passing the prompt response to an Apex action. So that Apex action will have an output of account name, description, and visit date as a separate output values. So I'm storing in separate variables. So those informations I am passing here. So I have created two separate sessions. So one for file preview, another one for visit details, where I am displaying the visit hospital name, visit date, and description. So once after that, if I click on create visit, a visit record will be created. After that, the content document will be linked with the visit record. So and I'm navigating to the visit record, after creation of the record. So that's it for today. Thank you.